You got a Cookie Monster too! Yay!
That's your lunch.
Yay!
Awesome.
Daddy's gonna have fun with that one. Now turn around so they can see.
You guys have matching Cookie Monsters!
Yay!
I have a lot of matching.
He wants it already.
Jaden, go ahead.
Look.
Rip it. You rip
Come on,
magazines all day.
open
Now
up.
we're ready
Come on.
to rip it.
Open some more.
Open that one. So what do I do?
Here, baby. Some more.
Jeff, why don't you come over here?
Yeah, come here, baby. This is
I know, it's your first Christmas.
What's in there? What's in there?
Yay.
He's like, there's too much
Excuse me.
going on. He doesn't know. He's overwhelmed now.
It's not like he's gonna reach in and hold it up.
Oh, come on, Chris. I've been trying. I've been training him.
Here, baby.
Oh, look how cool.
He's like,
Come on.
That's so cute. You like it? You just know. Oh, so cute.
just throw the stuff down.
That's cute.
Looks like a ski.
That's really nice. That'll keep you warm on the
No.
beachy night.
Ooh!
Are you ready back?
Wow!
Yeah.
I
should
like
probably
that
keep the label so I know
piece.
who everything
I
is.
know.
Yay!
I write my name.
Oh yeah, my mommy rocks. Wow. Oh nice.
Oh,
Yay,
Mom's not gonna know
Logan.
that we got all these presents. God.
Wow. More clothes.
More open. Oh, we got cool boxes.
I know. These are really cool looking.
Plain
They
white
didn't
ones.
have plain ones.
No, but these are cool.
More expensive.
No, they're the same price.
Really? What, Target?
Oh, that
Oh.
How cute!
Bunyan.
Little reindeer. Yeah. Look,
Brawny man.
Ronnie.
what's that now?
Big paper cover.
He's tired.
Yeah.
Oh, he's overwhelmed.
Here, baby, some more. Let
So
Can I open
cute.
it?
me see. That's cute.
Dad is letting place here.
Okay, lazy. Look at him.
He's actually just laying
So
on it.
lazy.
There
Watch him
you
fall
go.
asleep.
I know.
You can hold
That's
it.
it.
Yeah.
Monster. Rip this one. Yay!
Look at see Logan getting it.
Wow.
Thank you, baby, for Bumbo Monster.
Ooh.
It's the ABC.
It's just supposed to get louder and louder the more you press it.
Oh, really?
Trying to use another battery.
It goes me. Jaden, are you tired?
Yeah.
He's just chilling.
Never like this.
So I'm not doing the work.
He's like, "Hey, come here."
Look at Logan.
Running his head.
Oh yeah. You have your hand with it. Does it hurt when it gets you?
Open, open, open.
Wow.
I had fun.
Ooh, there's a lot in here. Oh my goodness.
Oh, we got the other one.
Wow.
Those are your basics.
Yeah.
Yay,
Oh,
we
wow.
need that.
Oh, these are so cute.
Oh, good.
Major
The long
cutie.
sleeves too.
I like this one. Cute. Oh, this one's cool. I like that.
Nice. Oh, some more
Yeah.
socks.
Oh, and there's pants.
Yeah, those are more socks.
And good. How'd you know we needed more? He's still in the 9 months. So I was like,
I know him too.
And they're like all down here.
I know.
Looks like
I
he's
saw
wearing,
like
like,
stained and nasty.
That's why they're under.
Yay.
I had to throw away a bunch of them because they were
Why?
stained.
So that's why they're undershirts.
Nice. Oh, look at your pants. More pants.
Are you chilling? What are you doing?
You guys got lots of
Can you
clothes.
open something?
Yep, it's gonna be
Wow. All
1
18.
year.
Oh, yeah. Headed that way soon.
Oh, it looked like he was gonna snatch that.
Logan. Come here. Logan. Here. Some more.
open it.
Look at Logan, see?
I know you like to rip paper, so don't be shy.
I know, now he's all being like, now that we're saying he can do it, he doesn't want to do it.
I think they're overwhelmed now. Oh, look at this a cute box.
There you go.
Hi, Jaden. Reindeer.
Yeah, you open
Check it out,
some
baby.
of your stuff and rip it.
Yay. Let's see what we got in
You
here.
got it, rip, come on, rip. Rip
Oh,
the
the
box.
matching one.
Oh, I love it!
I need to
Now we gotta get a
take
picture of it.
For pictures next time.
Okay,
gonna
come on, open your
Little
box.
ranger.
Come
Look
on,
at Jaden.
come on.
He's like, oh, that's nice.
Let's
You got one too. You got one too.
I will help you.
Logan, some more. Oh, this one
He is
is
going
heavy.
out.
Here,
You know when he doesn't move, that means he's tired. He's always
rip it up.
tired.
Oh, what is this? What's this?
I think he's just overwhelmed.
Oh,
There's the
oh.
It's your own laptop.
Oh,
Yay!
now you can.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, you like that? Like the lights
Super
that
cute. Oh, I like this one.
moves. There you go.
Wow. Yay!
Oh, one thing we do
Road
is
trip with mommy. Oh, this is
leave this in here, and then when we
I
move,
love this.
we put it in the truck, and then
Yes,
when
you're
we
gonna
come
wear this on the
December, you pick it up.
back to San Diego.
Well,
Yeah,
they're
first
giving me a
official
big
road
bag.
You and I.
To
Oh,
take it.
these are these jakings for a baby?
They're like pajama jeans.
They're pajama
Yeah.
Oh, look at.
Not pajama jeans.
Now you got
Like
that.
a cap.
Oh, yeah, you like
Oh,
it?
that's number 4, huh? That's number 4.
Yeah.
Thank,
There,
are you saying thank you?
Logan. Logan.
It's like, I can't believe it. I got all these things.
See, Logan found what he wanted.
What is he looking at?
Here, come on.
His laptop.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Logan, come on.
Here, this one too. Rip it up, rip it up.
Come on, race.
You got more, bud?
Yay.
Come on, you open up your stuff.
Look, he's ripping it up like.
Come on, race.
I'm gonna get a garbage bag.
Here, I'll get it.
Come here. I don't need to open your presents. Jaden.
Logan, some more, baby.
Come here.
And then the big
Uh-oh.
Oh, you're gonna go after Logan?
Hey, that's how you're supposed to do it.
No, baby. Hold on. Hey.
Look,
Hey,
you have your
you.
own.